My name's Ryan, and today we're going to be talking about my diarrhea. No. Hey, it's Ryan, and this is Dr. Garoppo.
Hi, everybody.
And she's just laughing for no reason.
For no reason.
So a few weeks ago, I ate at one of my favorite restaurants. I'm a simple man, so that restaurant was Waffle House. Okay, and so the next day, I believe it was, or it might have been that same day, I had some stomach issues. And so my good friend here, Dr. Garoppo, let her know. I was like, hey, I'm having these issues. And,
right, and you said, should I go to the hospital?
Yeah, and I definitely didn't want to do that. So she gave me some, I thought at first it was some crazy mumbo-jumbo kind of, I don't know what you'd call it, Chinese medicine stuff that would not work, but turned out
that it worked really well.
This thing worked really well. It actually did the trick. So I was going to let her tell you. It's actually very simple.
It is really simple.
It's just not a go-to for a lot of people. So tell us how you...
Tell us about rice water, Dr. Garoppo.
Exactly.
Okay, so what is rice water? In an effort to try to avoid hospital visits that you don't actually have to have. If you're in a situation like that and you're dehydrating, what you want to do first before you do anything else is to take 1 part rice to anywhere from 5 to 10 parts water. Specifically, if you have a cup of rice, you're going to take 5 to 10 cups of water, a little bit of salt, and you can sweeten it. You're going to boil until it kind of dissolves. You can strain out the rice or you can keep it in there. Sweeten it to your heart's content, whatever it is that you want.
I used honey and a little bit of vanilla.
And honestly, it doesn't taste bad.
It tastes actually pretty good.
It's pretty good, and it tastes really good if you're dehydrated. And you simply want to sip on this. Feel free to take many cups of this over a period of time. It is something that, because of the rice, it tastes sort of like thick, sweet water.
I mean,
right?
it's not something
How would you describe?
I would invite my friends over to have some rice water, unless we all had diarrhea. But it is definitely something that you can drink.
It's drinkable. It's not the worst thing you've ever had. I've probably prescribed many worse things for you. It tastes pretty good, and it's really hydrating. And this would give you an opportunity to avoid yet one more hospital stay. Obviously, if your body doesn't end up holding on to it, then you do have to consider going into the hospital. But this is something that, because of the rice and because it's a little bit thicker, will help your body hold on to the water. That's the most important thing.
Now I have to ask, is there any person out there that might need to be careful with this approach to...
If you're allergic to rice, I would say,
so
but
it's pretty benign treatment.
It is pretty benign treatment. In fact, it's used in third world countries. I think that my first exposure was was through like UNICEF or like this is done in third world countries when they really don't have access to anything but a simple treatment. If it works there, it's certainly going to work in our medically savvy country.
There you have it.
There you go. Simple.
So if you, again, are liking our videos on how to stop your diarrhea and other videos, please like and subscribe to our new channel. We're going to have a lot of good information coming out. Dr. Garoppo will be doing most of the talking, luckily, and you'll be learning a lot from her. So thanks for hanging out.
Hey.